Hey guys, this is Frank from the Art of 3D Experience and hope you're having a good week. And today I just wanted to show you a very quick tip in Cinema 4D, and that has to do with object hierarchies. So I just got a very quick 3D model here of a house and a very basic hierarchy up here at the top. So I've got some roof edging, I've got some planks, and I've got some beams at the bottom. So what I'd like to do is, typically if I wanted to rotate the planks independently of the roof edging, I would just go to rotate, and I will not be able to do it unless I also rotate the beams under it. So there's a quick trick and a quick way of doing this in Cinema 4D, and the way you do it is if I wanted to rotate the planks independently of the roof edging and the beams, I'll just hold the 7 key on the keyboard, so number 7. So if I hold 7 and I now rotate my beams, as you can see they rotate independently of the beams and the roof. And I can do the same for the beams, and I can do the same for the roof edging. So I can move, rotate, or scale anything independently just by holding the 7 on my keyboard. So number 7 on the keyboard, and I can just rotate, and I can just try move. So hold number 7, I can move it independently of the beams under it. So that's pretty handy if you've got loads of hierarchies in your scenes and you'd like to play with, moving and rotating and scaling objects independently without having to break down your hierarchies. So I hope this tip has been useful to you, and I'll see you soon.